Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover inline CSS. When we write CSS in an HTML element directly, then it is called inline CSS. In Sublime Text Editor, first we will create a new HTML file. We will click on File, then New File. To save the file, we will click on File, Save, File name cssinline.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol than HTML, and on suggestion display, we will press Enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file titled inline CSS. To open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. We have created one div and one page element, and we will apply inline CSS in these HTML elements. To apply inline CSS in an HTML element, we need to use the style attribute, and inside it we need to write CSS properties and their corresponding values. After the CSS property, we need to write colon, and after the value we need to write semicolon. Like that, we could write multiple CSS properties and values inside style attribute. Now we are using CSS property font size, and in the value we are giving 30 pixel. On refreshing the page, we could see the style applying on the div element. We are also using the style attribute in the page element, and in both HTML element we are using CSS property margin top. That is how we could use multiple CSS properties in the style attribute. In both the HTML elements we are using CSS property margin left. For color, we could use CSS property color. To make text bold, we could use CSS property font weight, and to make it italic, we could use CSS property font style. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.